Open your mouth and begin to speak in another tongue. I see the Lord moving you to places. I see the Lord changing your garment. I see the Lord changing your garment. I see the Lord changing your story. That handwriting that was against you, the God in the house is rewriting it. The Almighty is rewriting it. The Almighty is rewriting your story. He's changing your story today. He's changing your story today. I don't know who is against you. God is against them. I don't know who is fighting you. God is fighting them. I don't know who is saying no to you. God is saying yes to you. And so shall it be. Because it's your turn. Because it's your time. In the name of Jesus.